Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about removing the dangerous pop-ups that come from the site Boot-uprenewedgreatlytheproduct.vip. Boot-uprenewedgreatlytheproduct.vip. This is the website that tries to make people download and install some unwanted browser extension. The website indicates that it promotes some sort of recommended ad blocker. But according to my personal research, this particular website promotes some adware or browser hijacker. Depending on the IP settings of the targeted computer, it may either promote certain browser hijacking extension or some adware type extension. So be very careful. Do not ever download or install anything that these pop-ups suggest. For instance, in this particular case, in my computer, currently it tells me to install some movies craver extension, which actually functions as adware. In some other cases, it may promote some other extension that functions as browser hijacker, for instance, some Ecosia extension. So you need to be very careful not to interact with all these pop-ups. Sometimes they are also presented as some fake Chrome update alerts. In case any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed, you need to get rid of them immediately. Access the menu, More Tools, Extensions. If you find any extensions that were installed by mistake, disable and remove them completely. I also recommend that you research your device additionally with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.